Right, I'm just doing this video. This is just a week ago I did this thing about the wind that blows in for being south facing with the rain. Wind. See that stuff there? That was just blowing in the wind. It's rain coming down. Anyway, I've got the Shark vacuum cleaner. I don't have a socket here, so I have to run an extension cable and walk up the stairs, but luckily Shark give a good things on. Now this is got two settings, 1, 2. Just first on the first one. Now I have some other attachments. The purple one, UK spec. I still have the 10, so that was just on this one. Yeah, I kept that. Yeah. No. This is just 1 week's build up. So busy doing other things. On rainy days, do this. Or when you've got free time. I'm going to use the other attachment one, but I'm just using this to get the bigger stuff. And this is just on the lowest setting, not the highest. Now the point being for me to do this is you've got a wider nozzle to get up more stuff instead of getting them caught in other things with the narrower heads. You know, it's going to clog more. You can already see the difference. I'll try it with this. So this is the stick one with the powered head. That's some difference if you're getting the filters for replacements for it, but hey ho. That's why I've been doing it with a brush in hand as well. So there's no need to go on to the higher setting yet. You're just kicking up more dust and blowing from the rear when it blows out from the extraction pump. You're churning up more dust, which is going to give anyone with allergens a bad day. Oh, that was a slipper, my slipper that came off the bottom of the shirt. Couldn't see it of course because it's dark. Yes, that's where they broke the floorboards. The council, my foot went flying down the stairs with me with it. But so already an improvement. But wait 1 moment. Wait 1 moment. Yes, the other one. And don't break your neck. That's the only trouble. Record. Wrap it around your feet. Hey, mercy me. Right. So here we have the powered cord one. Now it does come off. A lot of people didn't know this. When I mentioned to them, there's a lever. You press this one down, and that comes away. So that one there, it comes away, middle piece, Now, you don't have to buy the smaller brush head that doesn't have the rotating double blades on it. It just has a single one. Now you can use this one here, because it will plug in from there to there. Now on other machines you can't, you have to plug it in to there. So now it's like mini. So you will push it down like as if you were doing with your foot. Well, easy when you, there, so like that. Now if you have it lifted up, the space bar will stop. Remember, this is on low, not on high. And the lights do help a bit. It looks better on the camera than it does in reality. You can go that way, you can go that way, and you can feel it pulling. It's pulling you. And you can feel the section. I'll show you the bag was empty when I started. I should have showed you that when it was empty, but I'm not going to take my word for it yet. Well, this is not perfect. I also wiped down with a cloth as well with any stuck stuff. But this is just two of them. Now if I switch up onto, can you hear the difference? Oh, wow. Whoa, it's really pulling. It's really pulling me. Really is good. I've only used one other one that's come close to this, but that cost a lot more money, and that was a professional job. It used to use in work. Big heavy cast iron thing. I'm not to say the name of the brand, but they were very good. I don't know if they're still around. Oh, it actually wants to go forward on its own. It's pulled itself along the carpet. Oh, see that? When it goes forward there, that's not me doing it, that's that. You will see the difference. Oh. I'm going to do the other edge and the side plant there with the other two. Oh. You can already see it starting to fill up. See that? I'm still not down the stairs yet, but look at the difference so far. Sorry, my finger's in the clay, I'm trying to hold on to it. Right. And this is the Shark stick vacuum, the purple UK spec. It's very good. I'll clean that side part down properly, but this is just the once thing to show you what you can do, depending on what kind of carpet you've got as well. If you've got a flat floor, then you'd use the flat floor roller. It's a different roller, different brush again. That's I got that in a pack. It's a German one. Voigt. So I've got the box again. I'll show you that in a separate video if you keep looking for that. I'll do a full attachments video. Right. And I've seen people doing this with full uprights and falling down the stairs, and you see them on the shopping channel adverts and breaking their neck. Well, you can do this. I mean, the battery one would eliminate the cord, but if you go careful, you're still going to be alright. You see that, and it's got those edge brushes as well. See those? And if you see, that's moving. See, now it stops. Right, got a few more steps to go. So I mean, it's 9 minutes. It didn't take long to get these things done. But it does kick up a lot of dust when you put it on the higher one. You can see the dust is now on the vacuum cleaner because it's blowing it when the extraction from the back, you draw it and brush around. So always try to pick up them as much as you can and go in the lower setting so it's not blowing as high. And that's so you're churning the dust back out. It's not that the stuff's coming out of the filter at the rear, it's the air circulation blowing the dust particles around. That's something that people misconsider in these things. So if you're like a dusty workshop or something like this where you're south facing, try to get the biggest stuff as you can, like I did with the first parts, and pick up what you can. I also go with the dust pan and brush for the bigger stuff. I haven't moved the last things because I was just doing this for a demonstration. I'm not full clean. Now it's that heavy that it's falling backwards. It's got that much in it. As we are getting there. Did the other video the other day if anyone saw that. I noticed some videos seem to be getting more hits than others. People tell me what they like to see. I could do more about that then. Again. Let the tool do the work, and it really does. Right, and the beauty of this thing is now I can press to release. And then you've got a secondary press to release here. That detaches the bin. And here we are. Look at that, that is just from there. It's all south facing. It's all the stuff that comes in the wind. As I say, it's raining outside now. So, do this and only put it in the bin, but so you can see it. It's precipitated a bit. I'm pressing the wrong button, sorry. Press 20. That's the other thing, it could be a bit better there. A bit stiff sometimes. There we go. And you take that piece out and that collects another part that goes into this filter here. There you go, that's all of it there. Oh, and that's how much rain has just been collected today. That's 5 litres. So yeah. Whew. During the garden, well, the storm damaged his thing down there. He's banging away. Took the green conservatory down. Bad weather. Well, I pray for everyone out there. I hope you're all okay. Right. Okay. So yeah, that's a little quick thing of it, and simply pops back together again. And this filter, as it shows you on there, comes out to wash. But that was the problem. I had problem getting this filter. This one here. Which I need to clean out a moment ago. I can't do 2 hands of that. And then the other one at the back, which is a different shape. I couldn't get that. So the ones they sent out, which I've got over there from Amazon, were totally the wrong ones. Even though they knew which one it was for, they sent me out the wrong ones. So you have to have a very good, careful look on them, because they're slightly different in the size and shape. They just won't fit otherwise. That's an issue there. So that pops back into there. You can give it a wash out clean, but I was just doing that to show you. So yeah, it all goes back together. This into here. And this into this one here. Try to put it the right way around. There. Hear the click. Always good to hear the click. And it folds over once I push this piece in. There's the click. Sorry. And there you go. And then when you want to fold it away, there's a little button here, and then it can stand up. It won't stand up, otherwise it'll fall over. So yeah, do that. Then to wind the cable back up again, wrap around until it's finished. Oh yeah. Yeah. Seems to be seating out a bit, but yeah. Oh, I hope that's good for you. Sorry about the video. I wish I had the gimbal thing, the stabilizing thing, but I'm doing it free-handed. So thanks to anyone that watches. I noticed a few other people watched one of my other videos and it got quite a few hits, and I don't know why that one got so many and the other ones didn't, when it was exactly the same video I uploaded twice. So yeah, someone can tell me on that one. So yeah, just a few minutes and there you go. I'll do the other bit properly in a moment, but yeah, it gets hot from the heat from the vacuum, but that's the only thing. And then go with a stiff brush in the corners, and I brush towards that, but obviously I can't do that with two hands. But yeah, that's an idea for you. And then lights out. So yeah, thanks to anyone who watches. I'll try to upload this. This takes a bit of time. I only got 2 megabit upload speed, so yeah. Thanks everyone. I'll catch you all later, and thanks for watching.